g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Alright, we're in the middle of winter and let's take a quick bow peep around the garden and see what's going on out here. And I have my little helper here with me today. Okay, long bed, obviously in need of weeding and nothing really going on there. So that's about it for that one. And the paprikas, we are just about all ready to go. Getting very close, and so be a video coming really soon about this gorgeous lot and smoking them and turning them into a powder. Beetroot still hanging in there. As I said earlier, I'm not going to pull them out. They can just keep growing. Again, these beetroots, they're not hurting anything. I don't need the space for anything, so I'm just going to leave them grow. The pepper bed, we are finally ripe with everything, so I'm going to pull these off and either do some pickled peppers or some candied peppers. My European spinach, keep getting the odd one coming up, but it's not doing fantastically, that's for sure. And we've got a couple of leeks sitting in here which are doing okay. The potato buckets, obviously we're getting a bit of chewing on them. Looks like I'm starting to get some snails back in with the colder weather. Again there. So I know it's time for a couple of them to be turned over and harvested. That one definitely, and this one. So let's do that. Is that a feather? A feather? In the bucket. Good girl. There's another one. Get it? More. Got him. Both? Yeah. Got it? Yeah. You gonna work? Yeah. What's there? What is it? What is it? Dirt? Oh, it's an earwig. That one? It's an earwig. Yeah, he's gone now. He's hiding. In there. Look. Some more, yes. Yeah. There's another one. Here you go, last one. Helicopter. Astrid, last one. in the bucket. Good girl. As you can see, not a monster harvest, but it's the middle of winter. Pulling some extra potatoes out, and it's the second crop of the year, so pretty happy. As you can see, peas have taken a bit of a knockabout. We've had some really high winds. We've snapped a lot of stems and that sort of thing, but we've still got peas on it, and that means a certain little someone's going to be happy. These. They make absolute great garden candy. Num num num. All gone? The helicopter's all gone? Yeah? These climbing ones haven't been knocked about as bad, so they're still going okay. Our centre bed, got these ones here, and we're starting to get some lovely pods in here too. So they will be great for some stir fries. Marigolds are going crazy. Bok choy is absolutely going bananas, which is great. Have to start picking that for some stir fry. Yeah, put it back. Still haven't picked my big turnip, and it is going awesome. Now, someone sent me a recipe for turnip au gratin, and I actually lost my old email, so I need to get that recipe again. All right, kale here, looking magnificent, ready to start harvest on it. So as you can see, even the smaller ones are doing good. Most got a lot of ripening happening on these peppers. So yeah, I really need to do something with peppers really soon. Okay, our watermelon radish still going well. Nice big bulbs on them, so they need to come out for a roast. Or if anyone else has some radish recipes, send them through to me. I'll give them a try. Last little pepper on this end, obviously looks like a California Wonderbell. So that one's ready to harvest. The standard spinach looking great. The leeks are looking fantastic. What else do we have in here? We have the mini cauliflower. Lost one of those. We have mini cabbage in here, which ain't doing so great. But, you know, all in all, for a garden that I'm paying little attention to, it's doing pretty good. Beans are finished, and I need to pick the seed pods off that. Let them dry out. You can see just one left there. So we'll come through, just pick out the seed pods. There's a seed sitting on the ground. There's another seed sitting on the ground. So obviously I was a bit late. But there we go. Nice handful of seeds. It's going to return me back what I put in the ground. Maybe a few extras. And the sweet potatoes are still struggling through the cold weather. They're still going, and hopefully once we start getting the warm weather come springtime, we are going to end up with lots and lots of sweet potato roots. And they're going to have had an early start. No eggs. Well, you're in the way. No eggs. All right, you coming out? You done it. Good girl. As normal, we're going to finish with the chickens and a young lass feeding her favourite chickens. All gone? You can't catch them. They're too quick. All right. And now she's going to pinch food to give to them out of in there. All right. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching, and bye for now.